Hi class, my tool for my assignment is called Kapwing, and it is a fairly new tool to the market. I think that it has a lot of great tools and resources that could be helpful not only to us in the future as students, but also anyone in education and anyone in business. So when you log in, you're immediately taken to your workspace. You have the ability to create a new project. You can start with going directly to the studio. You can choose one of their tools or you can choose a template. I'll start with the studio. You can start with a blank canvas. You can upload one of your own videos or images, or you can try a sample, which is what I will click. So this is the sample that they give you. It's about an 11-second clip. If you click play at the bottom, it'll play it for you. You have the ability to add text, additional images, shapes. You can create a timeline. You can add audio. You can add scenes, and you can add subtitles. What I think is really great about Kapwing is that you can create memes, GIFs, you can create videos, you can create timelines, you can create presentations. So if I go back to my workspace, I am going to show you the resources. I think this is probably one of the best things about Kapwing. In their resources, they have a lot of useful tools. For the sake of this video, am just going to click on education. As a teacher myself, I'm always looking for ways that I can bring technology into my classroom. And I think that what's great about Kapwing is that they actually provide lessons for you. They provide lessons and then they tell you step by step how you can implement it using their software. So I'll just go down to the one I was looking at earlier. Create digital worksheets. So if I click on this, brings me to what the picture would be if I created exactly what they're telling me in the article, but of course you can create anything that you want. Step by step, it tells you what you need to do. Find an image, upload your image, add your text, publish your template, use the ID image to share. And she goes into detail on all her postings about what you need to do. And if you're not successful and you need help, according to their website, they are very quick to answer. There's only 2 of them right now that are running the website because it is so new. They don't have a very big team. But if I go down, here's one, stop motion video to illustrate mitosis. And again, if you go down, it will tell you step by step what you need to do to get your video to be a stop motion. And if I go back to the resources up here, I can also go to social media. And they have tons of videos on basically how to improve your appearance on social media, your pictures that you post on social media. They show you how to tilt photos. They have a video on TikTok. And what I like for businesses is this one, how to make an animated poster. I think that this could be useful for marketing or anyone who is advertising on Facebook or Instagram in those sponsored ads that many of us get all the time. This would be something useful to companies like that. And again, step by step, it tells you how to do your animated poster. And all of this you can do in Kapwing Studio. So I'll go back to Kapwing. And it brings me back to my workspace. And one of the great things about Kapwing is that it's free. However, I do think that the most use of Kapwing comes from their paid subscription. It's $20 a month. And I say that because in your free subscription, they delete your content after 7 days. And if you're a student like we are, we often go back to access our materials when we're in a different course. Something that we say, oh, I really could use that presentation again. I really could use that as a reference. And especially for businesses who want to save what they've worked so hard on, you would definitely want to pay for your subscription.